Hi everyone, welcome to DIY Ideas. So for today I have something a bit different, but I hope you're gonna enjoy. So I have here homemade slime out of a peel-off mask, some contact lens liquid, and baking powder. So it's really stretchy because I added some extra water to it. So this is what it looks like in the end if you decide to mix, including these ingredients. And for today, I have something new. I have nail polish. So I want to see what happens when I add nail polish to it and if it colors. So let's put it in here and see what happens when we mix those two. So it's not a big effect, but the slime did turn a bit darker, so I'll try to repeat this with a transparent slime and I hope I'm gonna get a bit more visible result. Here is my macaroon slime, so let's try it out now again. And here is finally our effect. So there are no nail polish pieces, as you can see, and the shade of the slime is kind of grayish bluish. So yeah, I really like the result, but let me know what you think and if you tried it at home, how it turned out. Maybe you have some recommendations on nail polish colors or types. Maybe some work better than others. So yeah, thanks for watching DIY Ideas. Feel free to subscribe and shoot a thumbs up. That way we know we're doing a good job. And yeah, I'll see you in our next video. Until then, have a lot of fun, a lot of slime, and a wonderful day. Bye!